Good morning, student. Dear student, I would like to say you that in previous lecture, in previous class, we have already read about this lesson. We have already understand this lesson, and we have already discussed about exercise A, B, C. Today we will discuss about exercise D. Exercise D, answer the question. In this exercise, there are some questions given in your book. You read this question carefully and write answer of this question. Question number A. Question number 1. How was Chuskit different from her cousin? चुस्किट अपने चचेरे भाइयों से बहनों से क्यों डिफरेंट थी? Answer of this question is Chuskit was different from her cousins because she could not walk and she did not do this that her cousins do. वह चल नहीं सकती थी, वह उस काम को नहीं कर सकती थी जो उसके चचेरे भाई बहन कर सकते थे. So she is different from her cousins. And next question, question number 2. What did Chuskit often dream of? चुस्किट क्या सपना देख रही थी, क्या उसके मन में इच्छा होती थी? Answer of this question is that Chuskit often dream of that she want to study like everyone. वह जैसे और बच्चे उसके परिवार आस पड़ोस के स्कूल जाते थे पढ़ने, वैसे वो भी पढ़ना चाहते थे. And she want to make friends and wear uniform and even write exam like other students, like other children. She want to study, she want to make friends, she want to write exam, she want to wear uniform, etc. like other children. Okay, dear student, now we will discuss about third question of exercise D. Third question is, how did Abdul help Chuskit? What does this tell us about him? Answer of this question is, Abdul helped Chuskit to talk to the headmaster about her problems. उसकी समस्याओं के बारे में हेडमास्टर से, स्कूल के प्रधानाध्यापक से बात करके और सभी लोगों के साथ मिलकर they had made the path smooth by the help of school children and teachers. This tells us about him that he was sensitive boy who had read that all children have a right to education. Okay, understand? Dear student, now we will discuss about fourth question of exercise D. The question is, what had the village education committee of Mentok Yol done for one of the children who could not walk? Answer of this question, the village education committee of Mentok Yol had helped to build a special toilet for one of their children who cannot walk. Now we will discuss about fifth question of exercise D. Fifth question is, do you think Chuskit's grandfather was extremely attached to her? क्या आप सोचते हैं कि चुस्की के ग्रैंडफादर उससे हार्टली जुड़े हुए थे, अटैच्ड थे? सपोर्ट योर आंसर विथ एविडेंस फ्रॉम द स्टोरी. इसका एविडेंस यानी गवाही के साथ स्टोरी से उस एविडेंस को ढूंढ करके लिखना. आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज दैट यस, I think that Chuskit's grandfather was extremely attached to her. The evidence from the story is that the school children built the path level. Then he thought to himself as he wiped a tear that he had never dreamed he had seen a day this. Okay, understand? Dear student, you write all exercise and all question answer in your notebook and remember it again and again and prepare for exam. Okay, and now we will discuss about exercise A of page number 19. You will see in your book, page number 19, exercise A, fill in the blanks with the correct compound adjective from the box. Here are some compound words given in your book. You read this sentence carefully and choose suitable compound adjective and fill in the blanks and makes sentence suitable. In first sentence, we will choose ice cold and fill in the blanks and read it. Ice cold water followed in the stem. Second, steep sided. The steep-sided road was full of pebbles. And third, snow-capped. Fourth, well-mannered. And second है multi-talented. And fifth, thought-provoking. These compound adjective selected to these sentences you fill in your book and make these sentences suitable. Okay, dear student, now we will discuss about exercise A of page number 21. You will see in your book on page 21, you can see this exercise. Tick the words that are abstract noun. Here are some words, some nouns given in your book. You choose only abstract noun and tick them. In this group, there are 3 abstract noun given in this group, like hope, friendship, victory. You tick in your book. Okay. And exercise B, change the following words into a stack noun. Here are some word nouns given in your book. You change it in abstract noun, like believe, belief, child, children, honest, honesty, treat, treatment, think, thought, true, truth. Okay. I think that you understand all exercise of lesson 1, and I hope that you be right in your notebook. Okay.